The Cobra 75 all-road wireless CB radio combines a compact handset with a hidden control box, which keeps dashboards tidy while still offering full control of all 40 channels. Its dual-mode support for both AM and FM bands means you can reach more operators with clearer audio, especially in crowded or noisy areas. Built-in Bluetooth connectivity lets you pair a wireless headset or push-to-talk accessory, making hands-on-the-wheel communication much safer and more convenient. Digital signal processing actively reduces background noise and engine hum, so voices come through with impressive clarity, even at highway speeds or on rough trails. The included 36-inch magnetic mount antenna uses a strong, paint-friendly base that holds securely at speed, yet can be removed quickly when you park or hit low clearances. Between the weather-resistant construction, flexible power options from a vehicle USB or 12-volt outlet, and broad compatibility with standard CB setups, this package is well suited for road trips, overlanding, and everyday commuting.